Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the wiper blades on this Honda Jazz. This particular model is 2009. So it's the front wiper blades we're going to change and the rear one. So to start with, I'm going to do the driver's side one. What we're going to do is we're going to lift the wiper arm up and we're going to use the key to lift this clip. Okay, so once you lift this clip up, and then what you do is you just slide the wiper down towards you and pull it out. Right, here comes the driver side new wiper blade. The length of this wiper blade is 25 inches long. So the way we're gonna slide it in is like this. So you just take this cover off, slide it all the way in like this, and then push this clip down, and that's the driver side wiper blade nicely been fitted. So now we're gonna do the passenger side. So for the passenger side we do the same thing again. So just lift this clip up, slide the wiper down just like that. Here comes the new wiper blade for the passenger side, and the length of this wiper blade is 13 inches long. So again we're going to do the same, lift this clip up with a key, like this. Gonna slide it in like this, push it all the way up, and then secure the clip. Okay, there we go friends, that's the front wiper blade nicely fitted on this on the Jazz. Just gonna replace the rear one now. So in order to change the rear wiper blade, what you do is you just bring the wiper blade like this and then just pull it out. Okay, so just gonna slide the new wiper blade. So the way it goes in is like this. Okay, so this piece here, you slide it into this slot here like this. Okay, so you just push it back to this position, and there we go friends, that's the rear wiper blade nicely been fitted on this Honda Jazz. So I hope this video is going to help you change your wiper blades. Very simple, straightforward procedure. Thank you very much for watching the video.